To that rocket thrown right into the middle of the Trayvon Martin case, raising new questions about George Zimmerman, who patrolled the neighborhood with a gun that night. Zimmerman's legal team quit today, saying he was exhibiting strange behavior and refusing to talk to them. ABC's Matt Gutman is back on the case for us again tonight.
George Zimmerman's now former legal team say their client has gone AWOL.
He's not returning my messages, he's not returning my texts, and he's not returning my emails. He won't even give me a collect call.
So in this stunning, hastily convened press conference, Zimmerman's befuddled attorneys called it quits.
We're withdrawing as counsel for Mr. Zimmerman. We've lost contact with him.
The lawyers say they don't even know where Zimmerman is, just that he's hiding somewhere far away from Florida.
He's largely alone. Whether that means he's absolutely alone or not, he's at least emotionally alone.
Alone, but over the past 24 hours, feverishly reaching out to the world, launching this website Monday, calling the shooting a life-altering event, which forced him from my home, my school, my employer, my family, and ultimately my entire life. And on the same day, after 6 weeks of silence, he reached out to his friend and former neighborhood watch captain, Frank Taffy, who tells ABC News Zimmerman said he will be proven innocent. His former legal team says he also spoke with Fox News' Sean Hannity and shockingly even called the special prosecutor's office.
One of the things every defense attorney tells his client is, don't talk to the prosecutors.
That prosecutor, Angela Corey, is now deciding whether Zimmerman will stand trial for shooting Trayvon Martin. She's widely known in this state as a tough and aggressive lawyer.
My reputation is not only for being tough, it's for being passionate about victims and victims' rights.
But Corey has also drawn criticism for what some have called overzealous prosecutions. Last year, she fought for a life sentence for a 12-year-old convicted of killing his half-brother, trying him as an adult. And tonight, the eyes of a nation are upon her as she ponders her toughest decision yet. And tonight, Diane, George Zimmerman remains something of a ghost. His attorneys have been saying that he's been moving around quite a bit, that he's been alone most of the time, and even sources close to the investigation, the people who will eventually be brought in to bring George Zimmerman to custody if he is brought to charges, even they say they don't know his exact location.
What a strange turn of events. Thank you, Matt Gutman.